Understanding, regard with disgust, dive into English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we simplify English learning for you. Today, we're going to explore a powerful phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or even in daily conversations: regard with disgust. Understanding these expressions can greatly enhance your comprehension and fluency in English. So let's dive in and unravel the nuances behind this phrase. Regard with disgust combines two key words, regard and disgust. To regard something means to look at it or consider it in a certain way. Disgust, on the other hand, is a strong feeling of aversion or repulsion towards something that is considered unpleasant or offensive. When we put these words together, the phrase expresses a strong negative feeling towards something or someone, indicating that the object of disgust is looked upon with contempt or disdain. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. She regarded the untidy room with disgust, unable to understand how anyone could live in such a mess. 2. The community regarded the corrupt politician with disgust after the scandal was exposed. 3. He looked at the spoiled food with disgust, immediately deciding to throw it away. These sentences show how regard with disgust can be used to express strong negative emotions towards various situations, objects, or individuals. Understanding the context in which regard with disgust is used is crucial. This phrase is often utilized to highlight moral or ethical disapproval, making it common in discussions about social issues, personal values, or cultural practices. It's a potent expression that conveys not just dislike but a deep-seated repulsion that can impact social judgments and interpersonal relationships. To enrich your vocabulary, it's helpful to know some synonyms or related phrases. Here are a few: look down upon, view with repugnance, feel revulsion towards, be appalled by. Each of these expressions can vary slightly in intensity or context but serves to expand your ability to express disgust or disapproval accurately. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of regard with disgust. This phrase is a powerful tool in English to express strong negative feelings towards something. Remember, language is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about expressing emotions and opinions clearly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.